Good morning from the freaking tundra, I swear. It is too cold. It is like exactly like 5 degrees, 3 degrees. My mom woke up in 1 degree. Why? So I'm basically on my way to Walmart. I just need to get some necessities for like myself because I ran out. I need some vitamins because I'm starting to get a little sick. So I don't want that happening, and it's gonna be a fun morning at Walmart. Yay for Walmart. Walmart! Well, I'm in the shoe department, and I'm just looking at shoes just because, I don't know, I like shoes. But I really don't like Walmart shoes. I always get the cart that, you know, always go to the one direction, so I always got the one to the right. And it's freaking annoying. Good trip to Walmart. Now I'm heading to the dollar store. We did pretty good at Walmart. I got the things that I needed, and I was pretty quick, you know. And plus, it was really nice that my Nana called, and because of what happened and stuff with my accident, and we didn't call them because it was just so hectic last week, and because we were going away and everything else. But you know, it really does feel nice to feel loved and stuff. Now I'm gonna head to the dollar store. Yeah. I got my mom the best birthday card ever. I am the favorite. It's really, you know, it's funny. Now I'm just browsing. I don't know. Looking at tissues because it's flu season. I just left the dollar store and stuff like that. I was talking to this nice man in line. He's from Brooklyn and stuff, and you know, I was like, oh, that's cool. And then he started telling me like, not really his life story, but just like the situation that he's in, and I don't mind that. Like, I'm not going to tell the world and stuff what kind of am right now, but I'm not going to say his name because I really didn't know his name. But he has 11 grandsons and 1 granddaughter, and he's like, that granddaughter's my pride and joy. Of course, my other grandsons are, but she's the only granddaughter, so I have to make sure I really protect her, which was really nice and stuff like that. He seemed really nice. And then the sad part, when he mentioned, he was like, yeah, I took my granddaughter from Brooklyn because her mom just wasn't the mother type. She would, you know, start doing drugs again after, you know, the birth and everything like that. And I was like, oh my God. But I said, you're a good man for taking our granddaughter underneath your wing and making sure that she has a better life. And he said, I really appreciate that. So I feel good today. Yeah. But yeah, it was a little good morning. I got everything done. Now I'm gonna hang out with Christian later because it's Friday. And I got all my necessities for the next like 6 months. I'm just kidding, I don't know how long it'll be. But to me, if the necessities, you need like little necessities, especially if you're a female. Yes. But at the same time, maybe you don't need them. Maybe I'm just being crazy. Oh well. But I'm gonna go home now. I'm close to being home because oh, squirrel. Oh, I'm starting to get sick and I don't like that. Oh well. I'm gonna eat some breakfast because I'm really hungry. Now I'm on my way to pick up my sister at the train station. I didn't eat lunch, but I was cleaning. And we're gonna go to Cordon Pizza afterwards, and then we're gonna come home, and then we're gonna clean. Well, I'm gonna clean my room, and then you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Oh, my car's not starting. Give me a second, guys. Alright guys, we're good. We're good. Everything's good. I'm supposed to pick up my sister at 1:23 and it is 1:22, so I'm going to be late. But it's not my fault because the freaking car would not start, and fucking ridiculous. I'm sick of this car. I'm sick of not having my own reliable vehicle. Like, it's... Gosh. Well, I'm gonna not rush, but be in a hurry to the train station. No sign of my sister yet. I don't... It's 1:30 now. So, I don't know if her train's not here yet, or... I don't know. I mean, I tried to, like, look on, like, the other side of the tracks and stuff where I drop her off, but she's not there. Like, I don't know. But, I guess I'm just gonna wait and see. And if not, I'll check on the other side, or I don't know where else to look. And her phone's dead, so it's not gonna freaking help me. So, I don't know. She said 1:23, and I was here a couple minutes late because of the car, but I don't know where she is. I'm hoping she's okay, because I'm gonna freaking have a heart attack if I can't find her. Well, my sister, told me the wrong time. So I freaked out for nothing. Anyway, so I'm attempting to clean my room. It's not really working because I'm just laying on my green floor. It's really, I don't understand. Some people are like, oh, I can't sleep on the floor. It's too hard or blah, blah, blah. It's comfortable. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. It is so comfortable. Oh, but let me get to cleaning. Oh. Yay, Friday. Yay. So, me and Christian are watching Frozen. I know you really can't see me. Wait. Can you see me a little bit? But yeah, we're watching Frozen. We're cuddling. We're having a really good night. Well, I'm really tired, but I'm not saying goodnight yet. Yeah, but we're watching Frozen. See? Watching Frozen again. Because people don't really change. I wish I could sing better. People make bad choices if they're mad or scared or stressed. Yeah. Oh well, but I'll see you guys later. Even though you can't see me, I can see you. Kind of, not really. So Christian just left. Sorry. So Christian just left. Oh my god, this is really bad. So Christian just left. A little better, but whatever. Now I'm going to get ready for bed, and I have a long day tomorrow, but it's going to be lots of fun. I have work, and then I'm going tubing with some of the girls that I coach and my boss, and it's going to be so much fun. A great Saturday night, especially bonding with the girls even more. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, if you're watching this, I'll try my best to get some footage of tubing. I don't have a GoPro or a fancy camera. I have my phone, what I'm using right now. I don't want to get it ruined. But everyone's probably been tubing once or twice, so you know how it goes. But thanks again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.